we will have to speak about oncologic procedures. We will start speaking about biopsy technique, so really simple procedure, then going deeply into most surgical approach like management of muscle tumors, mammary tumors, and also spinal cell tumor of the distal extremities. So we will discover how to manage this type of problem. And I hope that every one of you will love what we have to explain and we will see during my lectures. We will spend a few days, and I expect to be a very good Congress and a very good meeting. So I'm really happy to be part of this meeting, and I hope to see you all online